Hey, favorite people, welcome to Life with Vivis. May I come spend the day with me as a young mom of one. So today, my very last said until you said that I should not worry, you'll be the one that will prepare the meal for today. Since last week, he has been the one going to the market and also preparing the meal. And to be honest, I love it because it is stress-free. It's the one that is mostly doing the housework. Before I wake up, he has done almost everything. The only thing I do is just to sweep and arrange my room and wash the plates. He does not do that sometimes, especially when I told him not to do it, because I'll be using it to do my content. So today is preparing spaghetti, which is very, very perfect. And when he was done, he tasted it. It was okay. Only for us to realize that he forgot to boil the egg. And this is my honest review about it. If I'm to rate this, I'll rate this 9 out of 10. Because he forgot to boil the egg. And the spices, and whatever, they are all perfect.